This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Nicely maintained ranch located across the street from the neighborhood park and close to the bases. Open floor plan, freshly painted throughout, vinyl plank flooring in the living area. Two-sided gas fireplace divides living room from dining room. Spacious updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances includes an oversized gas range, double-door refrigerator, dishwasher and separate wine cooler. Enclosed backyard with patio and storage shed. Attached one-car garage. No pets, no smoking/vaping allowed. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.